viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 3 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is Transformation of Sentences, right? So what are these transformation of sentences? How we can do it? Let's find out, right? So transformation of sentences means changing or converting the words or form of a sentence without changing its meaning or sense, right? तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस का मतलब होता है चेंज करना या फिर कन्वर्ट करना वर्ड्स को या फिर सेंटेंस के फॉर्म को बिना उसके मीनिंग को चेंज किए, राइट? Transformation could be based on structure, simple, compound, complex, or it might be based on meaning, declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory, right? तो ये जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है ये बेस होती है या तो स्ट्रक्चर पे कि सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, whether it is simple, compound, complex or compound complex, right? Or it might be based on meaning, या फिर वो उसके मीनिंग पर भी डिपेंड कर सकता है कि whether it is declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory, right? So read the following sentences carefully. They all express the same idea, right? तो जल्दी से इन सेंटेंसेस को ध्यान से पढ़ते हैं और जिससे कि ये हमें सेम आइडिया एक्सप्रेस कर सके. रीटा इज एन एक्सेलेंट स्विमर, which is affirmative declarative sentence. Rita is the girl who is an excellent swimmer. This is a complex sentence. Isn't Rita an excellent swimmer? This is an interrogative sentence, right? Next, we have the kinds of transformation, right? तो अब जल्दी से kinds of transformation पढ़ते हैं. So first of all, they are telling us simple to compound or complex sentence. तो हम कैसे सिंपल सेंटेंस को कंपाउंड या फिर कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. लेट्स सी. A simple sentence can be converted into a compound or a complex sentence by replacing a word or a phrase with either a coordinate or a subordinate clause, right? तो हम सिंपल सेंटेंस को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं कंपाउंड और कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में जब हम रिप्लेस कर दे किसी एक वर्ड को या फिर एक फ्रेज को एक कोऑर्डिनेटिंग या फिर एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज के साथ, राइट? टू कन्वर्ट अ सिंपल सेंटेंस containing the adverb to into a complex sentence, to is replaced by so much that, right? कि जब हमें कन्वर्ट करना हो एक सिंपल सेंटेंस को जिसमें कि एक एडवर्ब हो टू, राइट, और उसको एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो टू जो है वो रिप्लेस कर दिया जाता है so much that के साथ, राइट? Examples: he is respected for his honesty, जो कि सिंपल सेंटेंस है, right? But he is honest, therefore he is respected. Here it becomes a compound noun. Here it becomes a compound sentence. Why? Because therefore जो है हमने वो यहाँ पर as a coordinating conjunction use किया है, right? Next, it is too hot to play outside. It is a simple sentence, right? Now, it is so hot that no one can play outside. This is a complex sentence with adverbial clause of reason, right? Next thing, in sentence 1, the phrase for his honesty has been expanded into a coordinate clause, right? कि जो sentence 1 है और इसमें जो phrase है for his honesty, ये expand किया गया है एक coordinate clause में. The coordinating conjunction therefore is used to introduce the clause. तो यहाँ पर जो ये कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन है वो यूज किया गया है एक क्लॉज को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव कंपाउंड टू सिंपल. अब हमें कंपाउंड सेंटेंस को सिंपल सेंटेंस में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? सो लेट्स सी. अ कंपाउंड सेंटेंस can be converted into a simple sentence by changing one of the coordinate clauses using a participle for a verb or by using a prepositional phrase, an infinitive or a gerund, right? तो एक कंपाउंड सेंटेंस जो है उसको कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है एक सिंपल सेंटेंस में जब हम चेंज करें एक कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को, ताकि हम एक पार्टिसिपल फॉर अ वर्ब यूज कर सकें बाय यूजिंग अ प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज, ताकि हम एक प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज वहाँ पर लगा सकें. एन इन्फिनेटिव और अ जिरेंड, या फिर इनकी जगह हम एक इन्फिनेटिव या फिर एक जिरेंड का भी यूज कर सकते हैं. द कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन इन द कंपाउंड सेंटेंस नीड्स टू बी रिमूव्ड when the compound sentence is transformed into a simple sentence. तो एक coordinating conjunction एक compound sentence में हटानी पड़ती है जब भी हमें compound sentence को transform कर रहे हो एक simple sentence में, right? Examples जैसे कि हमें यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं. He made his best effort but did not succeed. ये है हमारा compound sentence. Now let's convert this into a simple sentence. In spite of making his best effort, he did not succeed. It's a simple sentence beginning with a prepositional phrase. तो यहाँ पर जो ये simple sentence है ये एक prepositional phrase के साथ use किया जा रहा है, right? Next, you must take special classes or you will not pass your French exam. Again, this is a compound sentence. ये एक compound sentence है, right? You must take special classes to pass your French exam. This is a simple sentence with an infinitive, right? तो ये एक simple sentence है जो कि एक infinitive के साथ use किया जा रहा है. Next, we have compound to complex, right? तो अब compound to complex की बात करते हैं कि इन sentences को हम कैसे change कर सकते हैं. Let's find out. When a compound sentence is converted to a complex sentence, the second coordinate clause in the compound sentence is made into independent clause of the complex sentence, right? तो एक कंपाउंड सेंटेंस जो है उसको कन्वर्ट किया जाता है कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में. जो सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है उसको कन्वर्ट किया जाता है कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में और is made into the independent clause of the complex sentence. और फिर उसको कन्वर्ट किया जाता है independent clause में of the complex sentence, right? Examples: he is a liar and I can prove it. This is a compound sentence. I can prove that he is a liar. This becomes a complex one. Next, he wanted some money and he got it. This is a compound sentence. He got the money that he wanted. This is a complex sentence, right? Next, The rule stated above is reserved when a complex sentence is transformed into a compound sentence. अब ये जो रूल हमने ऊपर पढ़ा ये रिवर्स कर दिया जाता है जब एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना हो एक कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में. हाउ? लाइक एग्जाम्पल सेज she has lost the book which she borrowed yesterday. So this is a complex one. And she borrowed the book yesterday, but she has lost it. So this is a compound sentence, right? Now the next thing, which is transforming affirmative sentences into negative ones. तो अब ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं affirmative sentences को उनके negative sentences में, right? जो कि है transforming, right? So replacing so that with to, कि हम so that को to के साथ replace कर सकते हैं. कैसे? Let's read the examples. She is so kind that she helps everybody. This is affirmative. She is too kind not to help everybody. This is the negative one. Next, interchanging the degrees of comparison. अगर हम degrees of comparison को आपस में interchange कर दें तब हम उन्हें affirmative से negative में easily convert कर सकते हैं. Let's read the examples. He is as brave as friend. This is affirmative. His friend is not less brave than he is. Again, this is the negative one. Next, using no sooner than but, etc. Right? Examples. As soon as the bus arrived, the crowd rushed towards it, which is affirmative. And converting into negative, it becomes no sooner had the bus arrived than the crowd rushed towards it. Right? Again, this is the negative one. Next, putting an antonym after a negative word or by the use of a double negative. कि अगर एक एंटोनिम नेगेटिव वर्ड के बाद लगाया जाए और बाय द यूज ऑफ अ डबल नेगेटिव या फिर हम उसमें एक डबल नेगेटिव यूज कर सके. सो जस्ट इट इज एवरीबडी एक्नॉलेजेस द ट्रुथ विच इज एफर्मेटिव एंड nobody denies the truth. Again, this is the negative, right? Next, transforming exclamatory sentences into declarative sentences. तो अब जल्दी से exclamatory sentences को declarative sentences में convert करते हैं. Changes to be made and examples. कौन कौन से changes करने होते हैं और उनके साथ कुछ examples भी explained हैं. Words such as what and how used at the beginning of exclamatory sentences are replaced by very in a declarative sentence, right? तो words जैसे कि such as, like how, what, right? इन्हें हम exclamatory sentences के beginning में use कर सकते हैं, right? और replace किया जाता है very के साथ इन words को. So example says, how charming you look in this dress, or you look very charming in this dress, right? Next, words like oh, oh that, and if only in exclamatory sentences are replaced by subject plus wish plus a full clause in declarative sentence, right? Example, oh, that I could fly. I wish I could fly, right? Next, the exclamation mark in an exclamatory sentence is changed into a full stop in a declarative sentence. तो अब एक exclamation mark जो होता है वो एक exclamatory sentence में change कर दिया जाता है एक full stop में एक declarative sentence में आते ही. Examples: Alas, she has left me. It is very sad that she has left me. Right? Next, transforming by substituting a part of speech by another. Right? तो अब हम कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं सब्स्टिट्यूट करके एक पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच को दूसरे पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच के साथ. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग अ नाउन. सबसे पहले अगर हम एक नाउन को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दे तो सो दे से शी इज डिस्प्लेड हर वर्क विद प्राइड. Sorry, she displayed her work with pride. This is a noun, right? And she proudly displayed her work. Here the proudly word is an adverb, right? We have made a wise choice. This is a noun. We have chosen wisely. This is a verb. I feel shame at your behavior. There shame is a noun. And I am ashamed of your behavior. Here ashamed is the adjective. Right? So हमने part of speech को दूसरे part of speech के साथ change किया and we have transformed the sentences. Right? Next, we have by substituting a verb. कि अगर हम एक verb को substitute कर दे तब कैसे हम change कर सकते हैं इन sentences को. These two things differ greatly. So here differ is a verb. There is a great difference between these two things. This is a noun, right? Smoking injures health. This is a verb. And smoking is injurious to health. This is an adjective. He did it although he had not intended. He did it unintentionally. This is an adverb. Next. Now this is substituting an adjective. अब एक adjective का substitute कैसे ढूंढे? Let's find out. He is very popular here. This is an adjective. He enjoys great popularity here. This is a noun. The illness has made her very weak. This is an adjective. The illness has weakened her greatly. This is a verb. They had a secret meeting. This is an adjective. They met secretly. This is an adverb. Next, we have substituting an adverb. So let's find out. He lives luxuriously. Here it is an adverb. And he lives in luxury. This is a noun. He wanted to harm the people intentionally. This is an adverb. He intended to harm the people. This is a verb. He works quietly. This is an adverb. He is a quiet worker. This is an adjective. Right? Now, next thing. Transforming by changing degrees of comparison. तो अब कैसे हम transform करें degrees of comparison को change करके? So it is changing positive degrees into comparative. जब हम positive degree को comparative में change करें तब. To transform the positive degree into comparative, as and so are left out. तो जब भी हमें ट्रांसफॉर्म करना होता है पॉजिटिव डिग्री को कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में, तो as और so जो है वो लेफ्ट आउट, यानी कि उन्हें छोड़ दिया जाता है. The adjective or adverb is put in the comparative form and is used with the conjunction then, right? कि ये जो adjective या फिर adverb है, right? ये इनकी कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म में रखे जाते हैं जब भी हमें इन्हें कंजंक्शन देन के साथ यूज करना होता है. द एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस इज मेड नेगेटिव एंड द नेगेटिव इज मेड एफर्मेटिव. कि जो एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस है उसे नेगेटिव बना दिया जाता है और जो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है उसे एफर्मेटिव. एग्जाम्पल्स: She is as wise as her sister. This is a positive sentence. Her sister is not wiser than she. This is the comparative one. I like sketching more than painting. Again, this is a comparative form. I don't like painting as much as sketching. This is the positive one. No other girl in the class is as responsible as she. Again, this is the positive one. And she is more responsible than any other girl in the class. This is the comparative one, right? Next. Changing comparative degree into superlative. अब अगर हम चेंज कर दें comparative degree को उसके superlative degree में, तब so it is to convert comparative degree to superlative. Any other is left out of the sentence and the adjective adverb is changed to the superlative. राइट तो जब भी हमें कंपैरेटिव को सुपरलेटिव में चेंज करना हो, एनी अदर इज लेफ्ट आउट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, तो कोई भी बाहर निकाली जाती है सेंटेंस के, या तो एडजेक्टिव या फिर एडवर्ब, उसको चेंज कर दिया जाता है सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में. राइट एग्जाम्पल: दिस डिजाइन इज मोर अट्रैक्टिव देन एनी अदर आई हैव सीन सो फार. ये है कंपैरेटिव. Or this design is the most attractive than I have seen so far. This is superlative, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all learned how to transform the sentences. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.